This is the Giro Rumble VR. It is the ultimate shoe for commuting and city riding. It has an inconspicuous look and is clipless compatible, but works without cleats. As you can see, it has a removable plate if you want to attach your cleat. You will have to buy your own Allen wrench and cleats if you want to use clipless pedals. The installation is pretty simple, but let's go through it. First, remove the screws holding on the plate. Once you remove both screws, remove the plate to reveal the cleat platform. Now, simply install the cleat in the position that you like. This is what mine looks like. Here's a look at the shoe from both sides after the cleat was installed. As you can see, the cleat does not hang below the bottom of the shoe. Now, let's check back in again after about a month of riding. The cleat shows some wear, but it is minimal. This is about as good as you're going to get for a shoe that you can comfortably ride and walk in. This is the Giro Rumble VR, and it's the ultimate clipless compatible shoe for commuting.